Hi everyone, today's video gonna be very short, maybe about 2 minutes, and it will be about Shredlights. And you can see there needs to be Coach Ruby that will help Redlight to do some push-ups because it's really trying, but it's also waiting for me. So 1, 2, 3, 4. Alright, that was pretty bad. Alright, and also sl-200 in white version. So let's talk about it, open some box and talk maybe about warranty, because actually this video is kind of about that. You can see here only 2 lights, but actually I had 6 in total, 2 reds, 2 whites, and also 2 other whites for my Meepo V3 that I sold. Those are the only ones that I currently have. I decided to just order sl-1000 right now, but it's still not here. You can see September 14 was when I ordered it, and right now is October 9. I wrote to them and yeah, they have some issues with production, so I guess it's fine, I can wait. But also people on Reddit told me to just wrote to them about my lost light and they're gonna hook me up, which they actually did, and I have my new Shredlights right there. I was actually very surprised. I just told them my order number and they already knew what to do. They also offered me about 20% off for sl-300, but sl-200 is just perfect, so I don't think I need something else, especially when they just offered me replacement for free, so I didn't need to pay anything. What is interesting, you can hear some noises from the body. I think lens is moving and something like this, but anyway, the light is just incredible, one of the best lights I ever had, and probably sl-1000 gonna be also very good. For sure much brighter, because this is 200 lumens and the other one gonna be 1000 lumens. This is gonna be really night and day difference. Anyway, you can see there's no rubber around it and this one is breaking. Also, other thing, I had the much older Shredlights 200s, but yeah, I don't have them no more because I sold them with my Meepo V3. But you can see here when I'm pressing, nothing is happening. In older ones, when I was pressing, light was already turning on, which was kind of frustrating because they were turning on by themselves, and yeah, good that they fixed it, so I need to hold and then it's turning on. What's interesting, there were a few versions of this light. One was turning on like right away. Here I need to hold a little bit longer. Then also there was a version that was changing light from the highest to lowest, and other reverse from the lowest to highest. So there was so many versions of sl-200, but at the end of the day those are just the same lights. So let's open the one that they gave me for free as a replacement. So let's see what's gonna be inside. I'm very thankful that they actually gave me for free because I lost. That's just weird that they actually have something like this in their warranty, but I guess this is really good. For sure they were expecting people to lose it, so maybe that's why they are giving replacements. So let's see what's inside. There's very small Shredlight sticker, which is so nice, and also they gave me paper with smiley face. This is so nice of them. Shredlights is looking very good in my eyes. Yeah, their lights are expensive, alright. But anyways, they gave me light for free because I lost one as a warranty. Like, give me one other company that doing something like this. And also, they just gave me smiley face on the paper. Like, this is incredible. You can see right here, I paid nothing for it. So let's open already opened box, and this is white version like you can see here, and there's no cable, also I don't need it, and it's looking like this, and there's no sound that it was in other one. Here's everything perfect, and this is, yeah, the newest version. It is exactly the same light but brand new. Thank you Shredlights so much for it, and yeah, everyone else, see you in other videos, bye.